improving service delivery. It is my singular.
We stand up for the national anthem. Time, I will request the Secretary NCAJ to step.
Non-state partners who support, and I am most all our partners who are present, guests, ladies and gentlemen.
As we look ahead to the 2027 general elections, the National Council on the Administration of Justice must continue early preparations. Election preparedness extends beyond electoral management. It encompasses the readiness of the entire justice sector to uphold constitutionalism, the rule of law, to protect the rights, especially of the vulnerable, to manage disputes efficiently, and preserve public confidence in the rule of law. I encourage the NCAJ Election Preparedness Committee to continue providing leadership in facilitating coordinated planning among all our justice sector institutions.
It is extremely critical for a country that we put in place all our resources, all our laws and structures, all the processes that are in place, the individuals and institutions to have their capacity built, to have upskilling, and even the Law Society of Kenya. One of our sub-themes in the annual conference we'll be having next month is on election preparedness, because we want all professionals to be able to play their actual role to ensure free and fair and verifiable elections.